Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to uninstall Internet Explorer 11 on Windows 7. At first, press Ctrl Alt and Delete key on your keyboard. This opens Windows Task Manager. If any Internet Explorer task is running, end the process. Now, click on the Start button and go to Control Panel. Click Programs and choose the View Installed Updates instead. Search for Internet Explorer in the search box. Select the program and click Uninstall button. Click Yes. Please wait while the Windows Internet Explorer 10 is being restored and reconfigured automatically. Click Restart Now button to apply the changes. This is how you can uninstall Internet Explorer 11 on Windows 7.